There, how to bond the car DVR with the mobile phone, and there is two ways, two methods to bond the car DVR with the smartphone. If the mobile phone connect the DVR's Wi-Fi hotspot, and you can you please use the method 2. They are in the same network. Connect it and will show and bond. Show the device and bond it. Now we use the first method. Just scan this device.
Receive bind request from.
Okay, request it. Just agreed. They will show the smartphone name, and that means you already bound this car DVR successfully. After bonded car DVR, it supports a remote functions. Remote capture the picture, front camera, back camera, and also take the video. No matter where you are, or at home, at office, or when you are at vacation, you can remotely capture the video from your loved card. Okay, download the video.
Move quicker. No, the video is downloading.
Yes, already finished downloading.
Yeah.
You can check the video, and you can check the GPS log function. See the driving paths where your car go. You can based on the Google Map to see the driving paths. And we also can live reel with this car DVR. Okay. And you can press this speak. You can talk to the driver. Hello, hello. How are you? We send the voice message to the driver.
Hello, hello. How are you?
This supports a two-way voice talk. Okay. And if you connect this car DVR's hotspot, more and turn on this DVR's hotspot. Okay, find your car DVR's Wi-Fi hotspot first. YDSW 是哪个
？Cannot find。
那先这样吧。